Welcome to this video on web development and design, where we delve into the art and science behind building and designing modern websites. Whether you're a beginner looking to understand the basics or a professional aiming to refine your skills, this video will cover key aspects that shape the world of web development and design. Stay tuned as we explore concepts, tools, and best practices that can help you create engaging and functional websites. Part 1. What is web development? Web development is the process of creating websites and web applications. It involves various tasks, including writing code, structuring the content, and implementing functionality. There are three primary types of web development: front-end, back-end, and full-stack development. Front-end development focuses on the client side, involving everything that users see and interact with directly on the website. This includes elements like layouts, navigation, and buttons, typically created using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Back-end development handles the server side, managing databases, servers, and applications that run behind the scenes. Popular back-end languages include Python, Ruby, PHP, and JavaScript with Node.js. Full-stack development combines both front-end and back-end skills, allowing developers to build complete web applications. Part 2. The role of design in web development. While web development focuses on building the technical structure of a website, web design is about crafting the visual experience. Good web design ensures that a website is not only aesthetically pleasing but also user-friendly and responsive. Web designers use tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch to create wireframes and prototypes that guide the development process. There are several key principles in web design, such as consistency, ensuring that elements like colors, fonts, and layouts are uniform across the site. Usability, making sure that users can navigate the website intuitively. Responsiveness, designing websites that adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes, from desktops to mobile devices. Part 3. Tools and technologies in web development. Let's discuss some of the essential tools and technologies that web developers use. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the core technologies of front-end development. HTML structures the content, CSS styles it, and JavaScript adds interactivity. Code editors like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, and Atom are popular among developers for writing and editing code efficiently. Frameworks and libraries such as React, Angular, and Vue.js simplify front-end development, while Django, Flask, and Express.js are common choices for back-end development. Version control systems like Git and platforms like GitHub enable developers to collaborate on projects and keep track of changes. Part 4. The importance of responsive design. 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock in today's digital landscape, users access websites from various devices, including smartphones, tablets, and desktop computers. This makes responsive design a crucial part of web development. Responsive design ensures that websites adjust their layout and functionality to deliver an optimal user experience on any device. To implement responsive design, developers use media queries in CSS to adjust styles based on screen size, flexible grids and layouts that adapt to different screen widths, responsive images that load appropriate image sizes for each device. Part 5. The user experience, UX, and user interface, UI. In web design, web development and design are incomplete without considering user experience, UX, and user interface, UI, design. UX design focuses on the overall feel of the user's interaction with the site, aiming for simplicity and ease of use. UI design, on the other hand, deals with the look and interactive elements like buttons, icons, and menus. Effective UX/UI design involves understanding user needs, conducting research to identify the target audience and their preferences, prototyping and testing, creating mock-ups and gathering feedback to refine the design, designing for accessibility, ensuring that websites are accessible to users with disabilities by following standards like the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines (WCAG). Part 6. Best practices in web development and design. Whether you're a developer or designer, following best practices is essential to building high-quality websites. Here are a few to keep in mind. Write clean, maintainable code. This helps with debugging and scaling the project. Optimize for speed, compress images, minimize JavaScript, and use caching to reduce load times. Focus on SEO, implementing on-page SEO techniques like proper HTML structure and meta tags can improve the website's visibility on search engines. Prioritize security, use HTTPS, validate user inputs, and keep software up to date to protect against vulnerabilities. Regularly test and update, continually test the website on different browsers and devices to ensure compatibility. Part 7. Trends in web development and design. The web development and design industry is constantly evolving, with new trends emerging every year. Some of the current trends include AI and machine learning, integrating AI chatbots and machine learning algorithms to enhance user interactions and automate tasks. Dark mode, offering users the option to switch to a darker theme for a more comfortable viewing experience. Progressive web apps, PWAs, combining the best features of web and mobile apps to provide a seamless user experience. Serverless architecture, reducing server management by using cloud-based services like AWS Lambda to handle back-end functions. Conclusion: web development and design are integral to creating dynamic and engaging digital experiences. By mastering both the technical and visual aspects, one can build websites that are not only functional but also captivating for users. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content on web development, design, and more.